stop running from prayer. Eagle, Jesus is waiting. Eagle, stop playing around. Eagle, stop.
So if you don't accept what God says you are, or who God says you are, and you don't confess it publicly, affirm it, acknowledge it, you will never become. And even if you acknowledge it and the realm begins to come, because your acknowledgement is like summoning the realm, you are provoking the fountains of the great deep, and when it begins to come, it comes with its laws, because there is an atmosphere where that realm exists. So that atmosphere will be superimposed on your heart. If you don't align with the government of that atmosphere, the realm will withdraw. So many people can go and fast for 40 days and provoke a dimension, and when the dimension comes, they can't preserve it for 3 days. So 40 days spiritual enterprise wasted in 3 days, and after a long time their life is in cycles. So they attain the title of prayer warriors, and then their pride and bargain becomes, I am a man of prayer. I am a man of prayer. Bishop Oyedepo said, what a man of prayer can do in 3 weeks, a man of faith can do in a moment. You know what? The man of prayer only prays, but the man of faith knows the laws that brings to pass, so he commits himself to it. Is there anything wrong with praying? No, that's what summons the realm. But when the realm comes, what do you do with it? It diffuses in a second. Jesus went to summon a realm for 40 days in praying and fasting, and the moment he began what he was doing, there was a movement in the spirit, and the princes began to check, and they realized another son is about to emerge. We saw when Abraham rose, we saw when Samson rose. What we are seeing now, the distortion in the atmosphere, is a suggestion that somebody is beginning to touch the gates of certain portals, and they began to search, and when they searched, they found him in the wilderness, and instantly they brought the test of the realm to him immediately. And he wasn't tested at the end of the fast, he was tested for 40 days and 40 nights. So they kept buffeting him, but he wouldn't break. And when he came back, the Bible said he returned in the power of the Spirit. He kept it. And when he wanted to send his people out, he said, the prince of this world cometh to me and findeth nothing. The reason I sustained it is because I kept the demands of the realm. He said, for their sakes I sanctify myself, that they too might be sanctified. I kept the demands of the realm. Most of us here are mighty men. Mighty. We know we are far from where we should be, but our problem is our inconsistency in attaining to the demands of the realm that our destiny summons.
So whatever doesn't look like you, that is still reflecting in me. Whatever's